Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. My name is Manish and today we'll be learning how to auto update copyright year in your WordPress footer for beginners. So in this video tutorial we'll be learning more about how you can auto update the year in a WordPress footer without any extra knowledge of PHP or any programming knowledge. So in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how to do it. So as you can see, I have a text written on my footer section of the WordPress website, and we will try to change the year according to the current year. So just in case if you forget to update your year at the footer, this tutorial will take care of the automatic year update. So let's get started. Go to your footer section. It might be different than what I'm showing right now, but currently my footer section is under customize. So as you can see, whatever text I write in the footer section of this widget, it will automatically update on my site right now. And you can see there is a year written in this video 2019. So what we want to do is we want to make this year dynamic, which I meant is you want to keep on changing according to the current year. So you do not have to go at the start of the very first month and change the year accordingly. So for this example, we'll go and add a new plugin. Go to plugin, add new plugin, type automatic copyright year. As you can see, this is the first one you need to select for this example. I'll be providing the link in the description below. So if you are having problem with following the tutorial, you can pause the video, you can see the description and you can add this plugin. So once you add this plugin, you can see in the description of this plugin there is a shortcode written. All you need to do is copy that shortcode and go to the section where you have this footer text on your website. I meant where you can edit this footer text. So in my case it is under customize. Let me go to the footer section. All I need to do is replace this date by this shortcode. So it will take care of the year, which is current year of your calendar right now. So as you can see, you do not need to update the year for next year 2020 or more. And one more thing you can do with this shortcode is if you have like 2010-2019, like your start of the year, what you can do is just you need to write is like the starting year 2019 or anything you like, and just put dash and put this shortcode. It will automatically keep it updated. So it is just a small minute trick to keep your footer year updated automatically. So I hope you learned something today, and that's it for today. From this point onward, you do not need to worry about the year on your footer. So that's all for this tutorial. If you have any problem, please let me know in the comment below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this in the future. Have a good day and see you soon.